Hey friends, welcome to this latest weekly tasting, Best of the West. Let's try the wines in this pack. Next is the Bernardus 2017 Pinot Noir. This comes from the Santa Lucia Highlands, AVA. The winemaker at Bernardus really wanted to accentuate the fresh fruitiness of this wine, so he backed off on the oak treatments. And true to form, this Pinot Noir is really coming on strong with red fruits, especially strawberries. And the wine is 4 years old, and as it starts to age, it's exhibiting this beautiful tea leaf sort of aroma as well. As expected, it's fresh and fruity. It's very tart too, strong in cranberry flavors. The acidity is super high, so this makes your mouth really water, which means that it'd be great for food. One of the things that I love about Pinot Noir is that it's always very forthcoming. It doesn't hide what it is. It usually delivers one or two key flavors, and the really good examples do it beautifully. Okay, thanks for hanging with me and tasting too. Cheers.